Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to explain about the menstruation cycle of human, and it is actually called as hormonal control cycle in human female. Okay, there are several topics related to this video, but I am going to explain in very short only hormonal control. Okay, you know my video is always short and informative for very less video. So here I am going to explain about the menstruation cycle. Okay, see here I have drawn one diagram that is based on the hormonal control of a menstruation cycle of female. Those students or those who are following this video of class 12, that it is important for them. Here you can see pituitary gland is master gland of a human body, and it helps in controlling and secretion of several hormones during the menstruation cycle. So let's understand here. Pituitary gland release one hormone called as FSH, follicular stimulating hormone. This follicle, suppose this is the pipeline, okay, follicles, where you can know the follicle. So in the diagram here you can understand this is the follicle hormone follicles. Okay, this is the follicles of female reproductive part. So here we need one hormone related from pituitary gland, that is called as follicle stimulating hormone. So this follicle stimulating hormone help in development of primary follicle. This primary follicle later convert into secondary follicle by maturation during the days interval of time. Then this secondary follicle help in development of one hormone that is called as estrogen. This estrogen will be produced by the pituitary gland, and then it help in secretion of hormone that is called as LH hormone, luteinizing hormone. Means from here again I am taking you in the diagram. Suppose here follicular stimulating hormone released from the pituitary gland, then what will happen, student? It will release luteinizing hormones. So let's understand by this video. Suppose I am rubbing here, it is written A, label A. What is label B? So you have to identify. So label A, what we need? First hormone. First hormone need we FSH, and second hormone we need LH. Okay, follicle, we need development of follicle. Then we can release luteinizing. Luteinizing means liquid, you can understand. So you can label and you can get 1 marks during the exam. So after developing of these follicles and estrogen released by the pituitary gland and then luteinizing hormone, what is function of luteinizing hormone? It release ova. That formation is called as ovulation. So ovulation complete by secretion of ovum and then formation of corpus luteum. Then one question will come, sir, what is ovum and what is corpus luteum? So during 15 days starting 1 to, see here graph I have prepared for you. This is the first day and this is the 15th day. So in between this 15 day, estrogen hormone and luteinizing hormone release ovum. Okay, see here diagram I have prepared. This is the primary follicle, secondary follicle, mature follicle, and then release of ova. Okay students, so on the 15 days you can draw. So this graph you can understand. So after that corpus luteum, this is the corpus luteum. So corpus luteum, here you can see corpus luteum help in releasing of two hormones, estrogen and progesterone, and this estrogen and progesterone help in maturation of corpus luteum, and finally on the 30th days, 25 to 30 days, the corpus luteum release out from the reproductive parts of the female and in form of dead blood. Okay, after releasing of this, the LH and FSH hormone stop. Means again here we have to start the next month, again it will go to the 15 days, again it will go to the 30 days, and the next graph will arise. So this is the concept for the menstruation cycle in female. So here I have drawn this one. This is the follicle growth. Okay, one more thing student, the menstruation cycle you can write complete into the two phase, that is called as proliferation phase. So proliferation phase is proliferation of cell, and after proliferation, see, it is proliferated, divided and form the ova, and after proliferation it change into secretory phase. So menstruation cycle complete into proliferation phase and secretory phase. During proliferation phase you can write the name of FSH and LH hormone, and during the secretion you can write the name of estrogen and progesterone as a functional hormone. Thank you student, this is the short video for you for understanding the cycle of menstruation in female. Okay students.